That is so cool. I envy you so much.
So amazing.
Jenny's amazingness.
See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for the monster and Pop-Tarts.
I don't even know what the hell this is.
What about this one?
Like that. Yeah. What's wrong with me?
Son of a bitch.